Today is day 92. I'm using my system to trade only one ticker and one ticker only, S&P 500 futures, every single day for a full year. And we're going to video journal it to track our progress. And then we're going to do market analysis to see if it's accurate and to truly test out and see how everything works. So today, I made about $108 today. Pretty good P&L. Had 4 trades. They worked perfectly. And then I just took my money and ran because yesterday was a holiday, so it didn't count as a trading day on most firms. So because of that, any profit we make today would probably be combined with yesterday. So therefore, I didn't need to make a lot of money today. There was only one level I was really watching for. Let me show them over here real quick. So level that we were watching for this morning was over here, because I knew that Tuesday is going to be the first high volume day of this week. Because I knew that, I sat on sideline. I didn't really trade much during this opening range here. And I saw that the 1 minute MOB, which is our huge make or break yellow line here, shows a pretty good resistance. So then once we broke above it, I was like, hey, let's see if we can hold support. So then we tested here, played out really well, took some trades off there and made some money as we bounced there and bounced there. Did not touch it the third time here because market structure has started to change here, and EU close had already passed, which was over here, which means that market direction can always change after EU close. And then after that, the only level to watch after that was our 195 level, which is this other major MOB here. And the reason behind that is because 97 MOB has already been lost overnight, and it acted as a resistance here, as you can see, where we tried to break above, could not, and we rejected and came back down, right? So now that we're back down here, this is one of the first time we're testing this area, so it's a good chance that we'll bounce, and we did bounce a whole little bit, kind of like we did over here November 18th. Now, how well we hold it is not sure because volume is pretty heavy. So if we continue to break under the 6830-ish level, if we get under 6800, we're really in trouble. We can go down a little bit more. If we go down a little bit more, we got really far level ahead, which I'm not even sure how we're gonna hold that. 6600 might be a level. Like if we start breaking this level, that means if we break this MOB level, there's always a high probability that we can drop 300 points a day. It could be like another major event day, kind of like this, like February of last year or like April of last year when we started doing those big wow moves. And I think one catalyst that could push that is probably like taking off the Greenland situation. Uh, so as far as market analysis, that's where I think we can go. We have flipped to the bearish trend, and I said this the last time, we were looking at it, because on the longer time frame, down here is red, which is telling us that the trend has flipped bearish, and unless that changes back to green, I think we'll remain this side. One thing that I think we could push back to green is actually we need to get over 6900, which is over here. So we're pretty far below that. So unless we can come back up here and then just break over it and then use as support and spring higher from there, the trend is now bearish. We are going to continue going down. Let me see if we built any patterns yet. There's no real bearish pattern. There's no real patterns yet in that side. But that's all I see so far. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree, or if you guys see a completely different scenario that I'm completely missing here. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hope you guys make a lot of money as well. Take care.